Hello, Tony.
Hello.
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 Okay, Tony, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Good. Now, Tony, what is
Yay.
Unit 21 all about?
Unit 21. Here and there in town.
Okay, very good. Here and there in town. So, let's try to do this. Now, Tony, I have here 3 vocabulary words. What are the given words? We have
Cafe.
cafe. Next,
Vegetable.
vegetable and
Tea.
Okay, Tony, do you eat vegetables?
Yes,
What
I eat vegetable.
what vegetable do you like to eat the most?
Um,
I like to eat
I like to eat carrots
carrots. Wow, you like to eat
and
carrots
potato.
and potato. Oh, very good.
Oh, no.
Oh, what else? What is it?
Potato.
Oh, potato. That's your best vegetable for you? That's the best one?
Yes.
Very good. It's very nutritious. Okay. Next,
Oh.
Tony, how about these words? What are these words?
Tomato. Large.
Large. What else?
Opposite.
Again, opposite.
Opposite.
And
Clown.
okay, so we have here 3 words. We have large, opposite, clown. Tony, do you know these words?
Yes, I know this word.
Very good. So here, where can you go to do these things in town? Tony, where do you go for a swim?
I go for a swim in the
In the
swimming pool.
in the swimming pool. What else? Where can we go for a swim? In the swimming pool. What else? One more. Where can we swim?
In the water park.
In the water park. Okay. Next, Tony.
Yay.
Where can we catch buses? Where can we catch buses?
In the bus station.
Very good. Have you tried catching buses at the bus station? Have you tried it?
No.
No, you haven't tried?
In the bus stop.
In the bus stop. Okay, it could be in the bus station or in the bus stop. That's the places where we can catch buses. Have you tried going there?
Yes.
Who's with you?
My mom and my dad.
Your mom and your dad. Now here, how about this one, Tony? Where can we buy a milkshake?
I buy a milkshake in the cafe.
In the cafe. Do you like milkshake? Do you like drinking milkshake?
Yes.
Why?
I do.
Oh, can you share to teacher why do you like milkshake?
Milkshake have
How does it taste? What's the taste of the milkshake?
have ice cream
There's ice cream. What else?
and milk,
Milk. What else?
and it's so yummy.
And so yummy. Oh, how does it taste?
What?
It taste. When you try to drink it, how does it taste? Does it taste sweet, bitter, sour?
No.
How does it taste? Is it sweet? The milkshake, does it taste sweet like chocolate? Like the real milk?
No.
Oh, what is it?
Milkshake with chocolate
Oh, you like the milkshake with chocolate?
sauce. Chocolate sauce
It's with the chocolate sauce. Is it sweet or not?
is sweet.
Yeah, it's sweet because it has chocolates. Chocolates commonly have a sweet taste. Now here, Tony, where can we laugh at clowns? Where can we laugh at
See
clowns?
what is lunch as
Oh,
clown?
not latch. It's laugh like like that. You're laughing at someone because it's funny. Laugh.
Where?
Oh yeah, where can we laugh at clowns?
I see in the
In the
I don't know.
Oh, have you tried to see a clown?
What?
Clown. Have you tried looking
Yet
or you
clown?
saw a clown? Yeah?
I saw a clown.
A clown. The one with a funny face. With the red big lips,
Yes.
with the curly hair. Have you tried?
One day I
Mm.
see the clown.
I saw it.
I saw the clown in the supermarket.
And what's the clown doing at the supermarket?
The clown do this.
Did you laugh
It's
at it?
do this. It's very funny.
It's very
It's very funny.
Oh, so where can we see clowns? Where can you laugh at clowns? In the?
In the
Where?
supermarket.
In the supermarket? What else? What are some other places where we can see clowns? Do you know?
No.
Oh, it could be in the circus or it could be in the fun fair, okay? In those places. But, Tony, you saw it in the supermarket. Oh, that's the work of the
I
clown.
love.
I not latch, I laugh.
I
Again.
love.
Laugh.
I love. So noisy.
Oh, so you laugh
The
so much?
supermarket is
So
so
loud?
noisy.
You
So
laugh so
noisy.
loud? Okay.
Yes.
Now here, Tony, where can we choose books?
In the library.
Very good. What else? What are some other places where we can choose books? In the library. What else?
In the supermarket.
In the supermarket. Do you like to read? Do you like books, Tony?
Yes.
Ah, what are examples of books
And
that you like? And in the
bookshop.
bookshop. Very good. Tony, what are the examples of books that you like to read? Do you have?
I like.
What are the books that you have?
I have. Oh, I know.
What is it?
I have a Daisy and Jack book.
Oh, is it a storybook?
No, it's a comic book.
It's a comic book. Tony, can you share to teacher why you like comic book? Why not other books?
One day, I read the book and I see Daisy is have a pet. And Jack can't saw it.
Mm.
And Jack opened the box and Jack speak. Oh, Daisy is not a pet, it's a fly.
Oh,
It was
so,
so funny.
oh, so now I get it why you like comic book, because you had fun reading those comic books. Am I right? Is it
Yes.
fun for you? Oh, that's good. You know, Tony, what kind of comic book do you read? Do you read a Vietnamese book or an English comic book?
An English comic
An
book.
English comic book. That's good, okay? The choice is good because reading those kinds of books, like English books, will help you enhance your knowledge in English, okay? You have to read English books so you can speak English as well, okay? That's a good choice. Tony, here, this one. Where can you see a doctor?
I see a doctor in the hospital.
Good. Yeah, we see doctors in the hospital. And what can a doctor do? What's the job or work of a doctor? What's the work of a doctor, Tony? The doctor's work is?
The doctor work is
Does it teach a student to learn to read? Is that the work
no.
of a doctor? No? You tell me, what's the work of a doctor? It helps.
It helps. It's
Come on.
help the people.
The people. What kind of people does this doctor help? It helps. If you go to the doctor, what happened to you when you go to the doctor?
Healing
Heal.
for people.
Oh, healing for people? So the doctor's work is to help people who are sick, right? If you are sick, where do you go? If you are sick. If you are sick, we will go to the
hospital.
Oh, go to the hospital. If you go to the hospital, you will see the doctor, and the doctor will help you heal from being sick. Oh, Tony, how about you, Tony? Do you want to become a doctor someday?
What?
Do you want to become, when you grow up, like you will have a job or a work, do you want to work as a doctor or no? What do you want to be? Do you want to become a doctor? Do you want to be an engineer, a teacher, a policeman?
I will be a police.
Why? You want to become a police officer? Oh, you like it. Why? Why you chose police officer than being a doctor? Because
Bắt trộm cô không biết đọc tiếng Anh. I can catch.
you're very good. You will catch who? Who do you catch?
and catch the thief.
Oh, you will catch the thief. Very good. You'll catch the thief. You will catch the bad people. That's the work of a police officer. Wow, Tony, very good because you already have a dream on what you want to become in the future. That's good. So what you need to do is to study hard to become what you want to be in the future, okay? You have to study hard so you will become a good police officer in the future. Okay. So, all right, Tony. So, we will just finish Unit 21 next meeting because we don't have any more time. It's already time. Okay. So, Tony, it was nice talking to you. I like it because you were able to share what's running in your mind. That's good. Okay. So, please continue to read books, English books, for you to be able to enhance your English vocabulary. And if you have that English words already in your mind, then it will be easy for you to speak English. Okay? All right.
Okay.
So that's what you should do. Always read, read, and read. Okay? So goodbye for now, Tony. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Yeah, bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.